Looking for a dependable way to maintain your 4x4 hubs? The worn 7300 hub service kit is designed to restore your worn hub sets 9062 and 29062 with precision and reliability. Whether you're tackling routine maintenance or prepping for off-road adventures, this kit offers the essential components to keep your M54 or M195 hubs working like new. When I rebuilt the hubs on my 76 CJ7, having fresh parts made all the difference. The kit includes snap rings, gaskets, retaining bolts, and O-rings, all the pieces you need to ensure a tight, secure fit. What stood out was the inclusion of new Allen bolts and snap rings, which are often overlooked but critical for a lasting repair. Knowing that the kit comes with a limited 1-year warranty added peace of mind, making it a smart investment for anyone serious about their vehicle's durability. If you're ready to upgrade your hub maintenance routine, this worn service kit is worth a look. It's not just a collection of parts, it's a complete solution tailored for your specific hub models. Keep a spare kit in your rig for quick fixes on the trail or at home. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free hub servicing backed by trusted quality.